members of the Diplomatic Corps, Managing Director of Sports Entertainment Limited. I think CEO Fiji Airways is here, also presenting partner of the Fiji International, sponsors, distinguished golf professionals, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, the wonderful ADLs and your families. Bulu Vinaka, sir. Bulu Vinaka, and a very warm welcome to all the golfers that are here to participate at the 5th International event. Now, as a Fijian citizen, I need to say this. You guys just saw a wonderful video and it said, do you want to live here? The best part about that video for me was, I live here. For those of you who have come back to Fiji for the first time, Bula, and those for the first time, Bula, and welcome to those who have been here before. Welcome back to our home. I hope all of you will enjoy your time here and discover what truly makes Fiji unique. And apart from playing and watching a world-class event like Fiji International, please do take some time out to enjoy the beauty and the tranquility of our islands and the many other activities that we have to offer. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm actually delighted to officially launch the 2018 Fiji International presented by Fiji Airways. As a bit of an avid golfer myself, I personally look forward to this event each year to meet some of the best golfers around the world, including our very own Vijay Singh, who I think arrives tomorrow. I think Vincent lost his golf clubs. He's back here, ladies and gentlemen, for the 5th time, and he's responsible for the redesign of the magnificent Natindola Bay Championship golf course. And Vincent's right, one of my most memorable moments in golf was that, yes, I did outdrive Vijay once, but I think it was a fluke, Vincent. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government is actually pleased to partner with the PGA and to achieve the vision of shaping Fiji into a world-class golfing destination. And the success and the growth of the Fiji International over the past 4 years has proven that the government's decision was absolutely 100% correct. You've seen the numbers and the figures for yourselves. The Fiji International has achieved far more than what we had expected. And the tournament has been hosted at an international standard, ensuring all the requirements of the international tours that sanction this kind of event was satisfactorily met. And it has a rumble-on effect also. It's caused us to have even more sporting events, more international sporting events in Fiji, such as Super 15 rugby, and also some world-class surfing events. So over the past 4 years, with respect to the golf, we've had more than 500 professional golfers from 29 different countries that have participated from key tourism markets. And in 2017 alone, the Fiji International brought in #1 ranked players from 7 different countries such as Bangladesh, Brazil, Fiji, Malaysia, New Zealand, Singapore, and Zimbabwe. And over the years, the field has included, of course, some of golfing's best, such as Vijay Singh, Nick Price, of course, Ernie Els, Angel Cabrera, and Mike Weir, who collectively have won 13 major titles and 4 Masters green jackets. They've all elevated the tournament to new heights each year. The Fiji International and Tourism Fiji brands combined and provided a gross media value of about Fijian $33.4 million in 2017 and a cumulative value of over $72 million with a broadcast reach of about 46 countries over the past 4 years. Now, brand visibility, ladies and gentlemen, has increased by 34% as broadcast hours, as Vincent pointed out, has increased from 1,114 in 2016 to about 1,361 in 2017. The total combined hours of broadcast over the 4 years to date is 3,531 hours. And you go ahead and try and buy that, ladies and gentlemen. It's quite impossible. Which is equivalent to actually 38 consecutive days of broadcast. So I thank you. Thank you for putting Fiji on the map. In addition, also, ladies and gentlemen, the new tri-sanctioning relationship between the PGA, Australasia, the European Tour and the Asian Tour has also raised the profile of Fiji International. The European Tour, as you all know, is one of the most prestigious and strongest professional golf tours in the world and reaches about 450 million homes globally. And being part of the Asia Tour boosts the Fiji International's official world ranking status, and thus ensuring that we attract more high-ranking players to the tournament. Through these platforms, ladies and gentlemen, Fiji has extended its reach to emerging visitor markets in China, in India, while strengthening our visibility in the traditional markets of Australia and New Zealand. Fiji's tourism industry is diversifying its tourism product and building niche markets such as sports tourism and meetings and incentives and conferences and events, also known as MICE. And this is in line with our Fijian tourism development plan to turn it into a $2.2 billion industry by 2021. I think we are well on the way to achieving that, barring any natural disasters, of course. This vision, ladies and gentlemen, can be achieved by embracing new and innovative market segments that will bring Fiji more value for money and ensure sustainable growth of the sector. We have expanded our source markets by introducing new flights each year, such as direct flights to Japan, which began earlier in July this year, and increased flights out to Singapore. And we also continue to expand our code share arrangements with key airlines to ensure flights are more convenient for all our visitors. Ladies and gentlemen, as a country, we are recognized as a happy nation and renowned for its hospitality. And this is obviously, somebody's happy. Even the phone's happy. This is reflected in our national brand, ladies and gentlemen, which says, Fiji, where happiness finds. It's not just a slogan that's picked out of the air. It is a slogan that really is Fiji. That's why it actually works well. Our island home is a multicultural society blessed with rich natural resources, and we celebrate diverse cultures, and we cherish our unique heritage. And I must commend the Fiji International for its community initiatives, raising awareness on our local culture and giving back to our local communities, especially to the children and to the less privileged. And for the past few years, Fiji International has been running golf clinics and development programs such as the Westpac Schools Golf Program in schools like Penang Primary School and Tagore Memorial School, Singatoka Special School, and Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Primary School. Last week, we saw the culmination of this program where about 50 students took part in mini Fiji International at the Shangri-La Fijian Golf Course. Now for many, this was the first time that they actually played on a course after 3 years of participating in school clinics. Fiji International also has offered $5,000 scholarship to the Fiji National University student majoring in tourism through its volunteer program, facilitating the skills and development workshop in partnership with the Fiji Arts Council for the Sana Sana Women's Group, and sponsored the Sana Sana rugby team and provided expertise and equipment to the local golf clubs to ensure the growth of golf in Fiji. Last weekend also, ladies and gentlemen, I had the privilege of announcing one of the Fiji International's best initiatives yet. That's the Bucks for Birdies initiative, which was mentioned earlier on, and whereby $10 will be donated to 6 different schools around the Nuttall and the Coral Coast region for every birdie scored during this year's tournament. So that's a great incentive for all the professionals. With an average of about 1,300 birdies scored each year, it'll be exciting to see the results. And of course, in these years, it might get up to about 1,500. To our professionals taking part this week, every shot you take will mean more to the Fijian people, so no pressure, ladies and gentlemen. But apart from this also, ladies and gentlemen, in their personal capacities, many of the gentlemen that have been here, and some of them sitting at this table, I made a personal request to them one day to see if they could assist suicide prevention group that exists in Fiji. And I take my hat off to you, sir. That was a wonderful contribution on behalf of everyone that's here today. So I thank you. And they really cherish what you actually hear. No, but no. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to this evening's dinner, I wish to thank you all again for joining us as we celebrate golf, we celebrate sports tourism, and we celebrate Fiji. Fiji is proud to host an international event of this particular caliber, and I wish all the players well and the very best in this week's tournament. To the organizers of the Fiji International, thank you. Thank you for a job well done over the years. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I warmly welcome you all again to our country, and I'm confident that our slogan, "Where happiness finds you," will hold true for the duration of your stay. And with those few words, it is my pleasure to officially open the 2018 Fiji International. I wish you all a